Okay, I'm gonna try to do this while I'm filming it. So this tic-tac-toe box is set up so that the eyes go in these top two on each corner. The nose fills this box. The tip of the nose goes right here, or it might be a little bit up. We talked about the different types of noses. So this is monkey ears, where the side spheres are in the middle. Koala ears is up here. And then Cinderella's carriage, the middle sphere is up a little bit higher. So it's an upturned nose. So, and then the mouth wins this bottom line to about half. So the mouth fills this area. There's a little stack of spheres that happen right here. Because then you shade under these spheres to get where the lips go on either side. The corners of the mouth line up with the pupils. So we go back up here to where the eyes are. We talked about the pupil of the eye kind of taking up that middle tic-tac-toe space here. You don't have to draw that tic-tac-toe space, but it gives you something to work on. So little Cheerio donut. Finding that center, making your Cheerio donut, what have you. Just making sure that they're lined up symmetrical. So looking at where your eyelids are, don't forget the eyelids. And then the crease of the eye as well. For the face map, like puzzle pieces, you just glue the eyes on there. A couple people chose to draw their eyes in. That is not what you have to do. So just trying to get them somewhat even. Then your nose here, you should be shading the bottoms of the spheres when you're making your own. For the puzzle face, you just literally glue your nose there, whatever nose you chose. It rhymes. Then connecting and shading these edges as it comes up and then out. Comes out. Shading these side areas on an angle. You can blend it with your finger or paper towel or Kleenex. You know, they're in short supply right now, but you know. And then your eyebrows go right at the top of this box. So it's kind of depends. It could either be a little oval right here to start, or I kind of always do this little fuzzy grass and then fill it in until it goes up. So fuzzy grass, and then I do the line there, bring it down. So it kind of depends. You can make your person look as though they're pleasant to be around. You could make them angry, like you can bring the eyebrows slanted down, make squinty eyes. It really just kind of depends on what expression you want them to have. So once you get facial expressions in, then like this part where the chin goes, the chin takes up about one space underneath that tic-tac-toe box. So you just kind of find right underneath the mouth, find where this goes, and then don't do anything else. Look at your sides, because the ears will go between the eyebrows and the nose out here, they fit. If you were to take your finger and put it on the tip of your eyebrow and the tip of your nose and then pull it across on your actual face, it will line up. So you kind of figure that out. Now, sides of face, don't connect that. Sides of face are about halfway in this space, because it's one extra eye length, so you take that eye length. Sides of face here. Now, you can just sort of gently curve it and then bring it over. But you just kind of use that tic-tac-toe box as a framework for where the face is. And then this amount of space here, that should be put up here. So that would be where the top of the head goes. And you bring it over. So you get this Lex Luthor feeling guy. Oh, hold on. I'm not looking at this straight on, so it's a little funky. Hang on. Okay, so your ears are here. Nobody cares about ears, so literally just kind of give it a little, there's like a little weird S. Looks like this Slayer S. If anybody remembers that. The kids today know it. And then backwards. This side, bring it out. Because that'll all get shaded in. So now we've got Lex Luthor looking very positive. And then you have to figure out where your hairline is. So if we go about halvesy between, there's always hair right here on either side. Like if this was a girl, you could like make a curl there or what have you, but usually you just kind of give it a little. And then hair here kind of grows out to the side. So you kind of bring it on an angle. So it'll go straight, curve, straight again. So straight, curve, there. Then if the hair was coming down, like it would be here. If it's facing up, it would be here. So you bring it around, shade the sides. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to look at my phone and make sure I've got this in place. But shade the sides especially. And kind of build around the top of the head. Oh wow, that was got a wild hair. I'm gonna take that out. And then like I would do some shading on the mouth there. The sides of the face, don't make your neck much smaller than the sides of the face right there. And then shoulders, just come out to the edge. Make a collar of some kind. And then we've got person. You could add eyelashes, you could add all kinds of things. But for the most part, that is how you lay it out. Okay.